Here we are, southeast Portland. It's our Lida neighborhood. Just capturing strange skies. It's very rare to get summer rain. If you can see off between those houses there. This is all coming in. We got an atmospheric river coming in. You can just see the weird, unique clouds. It's very cool. Might even see flooding up in Seattle. It arrives after midnight here. It'll probably rain out the Soapbox Derby up at Mount Tabor. That's the one-year event Raquel and I love. But we're still going to check it out. Soapbox Derby, baby. Mount Tabor.